All right, let's take a quick look at generating two-person audio in Google AI Studio. So this is meant to be a playground for the API for technical things, but it allows us to do some pretty nice stuff as well, even if we're not technical. So essentially what we want for two-person back and forth conversation is audio or text that has speaker one and speaker two. And then the dialogue we want. We can choose the voices over here to be whatever we think is going to be useful. So you could just change them like so. But you'd want to pick two different voices. In any case, this is kind of the demo piece. You could hit run here. It'll generate the audio that you see, and the little player will pop up right here. Just for fun, we'll generate this pattern of audio using Google Gemini. So what I said is, use this pattern, generate a conversation in Korean, focusing on an exciting visit to Itaewon. So initially, it did transfer or translate my speaker one and speaker two to Korean. I tested that; it didn't work in Gemini. So one, I want it more back and forth, and I'm going to need to fix that. So even with my typo here, it was able to keep the speaker one and two in English while the text remained in Korean. Once I paste that in right here, I can hit run. It's going to take a minute, but then it generates this little player right here. Notice the three buttons. You'll see those three buttons in Chrome and Firefox. You may not see them in Safari, but you're going to want to use Chrome or Firefox because you're going to want to be able to save this. These things are not persistent. They don't save like regular Gemini chats. This is more of a playground. But I can hit download, save my WAV file wherever I want on my computer, and if you need to get it in MP3 or some other format, reach out. We're happy to help. Let's listen to a snippet of the Korean though.
자체가 포토존일 것 같아요.
맞아요. 특히 해밀턴 호텔 뒤쪽 골목
Well, you can see and hear the two voices going back and forth. We got male and female in that case. And we've had really good luck in terms of the quality of audio being created in a variety of languages. You're going to want to check it out and evaluate it yourself in whatever your language of choice is, but it's well worth checking out, and it is a free option right now for this kind of limited use.